Today, we are going to demonstrate how to get data by API. So what is API first? So here, say, for example, this homepage explains that an API, application programming interface, is a set of functions that allows application to access data and interact with external software components, operating systems, or microservices. So make it very simple, indeed, API refers to the functions that allow machine-to-machine communication, to get data, to interact. So it becomes a very fundamental tool to start with the IoT, the Internet of Things. Let me demonstrate. Say, for example, every month, whenever the government updates the data series of the property market statistics, then you have to download it manually, then update the house price index. While nowadays, if the governments that provide API on their data, then you can write programs to get the data regularly and automatically. So here, say, for example, the Hong Kong government provide the API for property market statistics. And here today, I would like to show you how to download regularly once every month whenever the government update the house price index. Here, this one, right? So here shows you the ULI, a CSV file for downloading the updated house price index series. Copy this URL. Then, of course, if you are good at writing programs, Python, R, then you can write program to teach the machine to download this API data. But today, I would like to show you a method which does not require any coding knowledge. Yeah, of course, there are many software which can also make use of this no coding platform for us to write program. And this is just an example. You may try to find others. This Parabola platform, which make use of this drag function. So whenever you would like to get data from an API, then you drag this API import, or what they call the pool, from an API. Then the request type is to get data. Then here is the URL. Then now I copy and paste the RED government.hk house price index data here. Then it will teach the machine to download the updated series from this URL. Show the updated results. Then immediately you will find that 339 rows, 17 columns of the data series has been downloaded. And the latest one is February 2021. Then, of course, you can also do calculations, set alarm, or export. But today, I just would like to demonstrate the most simplest one. Just download the data file by API and then email a CSV attachment. Yeah, this one. Then you drag on the page. Then you drag the arrow. Yeah, means that after pulling data of from the URL, then email a CSV attachment of the file. Then you have to tell the email address. Let's say, for example, here is my email address. And then it is RED house price index. And then you can mention about an updated RVD rating and valuation. Show updated result. Then let's take a look on the platform, right? This is the very simple one that I have repeated doing it twice. Now update it. You can also set the schedule. Say for example, now I set right every 10th of each month will update the series. Then if you click run through now, it will show you that the data has been uploaded and sent by email. Let me show you the format of the CSV. Yeah, here is the email with subject header RVD HPI, and the content that I have typed in and updated rating evaluation department's house price index data, and the attachment here, you can download it. Yes. Yeah, this is the downloaded RVD HPI with the latest release of February 2021. Then every month it will be scheduled to update the data file by the machine itself. And then every month you will receive this email. This is the way to program a machine to communicate with another machine.